At Kidz Land, we offer very many services to children. For instance, we have science kit, which the director has just brought to school. And this kit is going to help us to teach children, and they will be able to see things that they have never seen in their life. We have, for instance, those days we used to teach about the eye. We could just teach it theoretically, but now we have the real object that will help us to simplify the teaching of the eye. Just like you're seeing, it has been drawn here, but now we are going to have the real model of the eye, where we shall make our children play with it, touch, and they will be able to learn and understand. Also, the heart is there. We used to just draw the things for children on the chalkboard without proper understanding. But we have the module ready at Kidz Land, where our children are interacting with all the parts of the heart, and they are now able to tell the parts, the function, and many things about the heart. Likewise to the skeleton, we also have the skeleton ready at Kidz Land. So children are interacting with it. Children now know all the body parts, all the bones in the body. So at Kidz Land, we are ready to adapt the competence-based curriculum which the government needs us to implement, and we have started. I urge you parents to bring your children to Kidz Land, nursery and primary school, so that they get the best background of education, especially in science topics and science classes, because we are going to teach them and prepare them so that when they join secondary school, it will not be a new thing to them. They will just go through things that they have already learned from Kidz Land, as the government is preparing them right from primary to secondary through the competence-based curriculum. I urge you to bring your children, to bring your child at Kidz Land, and trust us, we shall never let you down, and you will never regret to work with us. Thank you.